Welcome to IP Service, Learn IT Tips and Troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to uninstall Microsoft Edge browser in 2025 2A solution. Now you can see full video for better tips. First of all, click Setting and check Apps, Installed Apps. Now we can find Microsoft Edge browser. To want to uninstall, follow this step carefully. Now you can look Microsoft Edge browser and click three dot icon. Now you can see uninstall button is invisible. Now we can visible it by Registry it. Close and click search bar and type Registry edit editor. We can run as administrator. Here we can see registry editor. Now you can click local machine and click software. Now we can go wow 64 32 nodes. Now we can go Microsoft, search in Microsoft. Now we can go Windows, scroll down, just locate it right into Windows. We can find. Also you can see desktop screen. We can right alignment, click Windows and click current version. Expand current version. Now we can go uninstall. You can see install. We can go right now uninstall because we are uninstall a browser. Now we can find Microsoft Edge. Obvious. Scroll down Microsoft Edge. Finally find. Now we can modify no remove. Modify this enable value is 1. Now we can change it to 0. Now OK. Then close. Now we can check our installed apps, enable or disable. Just one safety to execute this operation. Just click GP update space /force. That's why update your registry file successfully. It's force update. Microsoft. Now we can check settings. Going to setting. Now we can also just restart your PC for oversure. Now you can check apps and click install apps. Now we can find Microsoft Edge. Scroll down. Here look Microsoft Edge. Uninstall is activated. Now uninstall your Edge browser. Finally, here is a main solution this way. Now we can check another way to uninstall Microsoft Edge browser. It's third-party apps to uninstall this browser. Sometimes it's because it's Wise program uninstaller. It's a tools to uninstall program. Just click download and install it. It's simple tools to uninstall Just click install. You can uncheck view the user guide and release log. Just finish. You can see your Microsoft Edge browser data. Now you can simply install your Microsoft Edge browser. Select Microsoft Edge and uninstall. That's final. This way is very simple. You can try it whatever you want. Like, comment, share, and subscribe IP Service for more tips. Thank you for watching. Thank you.